Welcome to another episode of Hack Trip Easy, where we empower you to travel smarter, not harder. Today, we're diving into a topic that can make or break your travel experience: your shoes. Whether you're exploring bustling cities, hiking scenic trails, or relaxing on the beach, the right footwear is essential. Get ready to discover practical tips on choosing the best shoes for your adventures, ensuring you stay comfortable and stylish on the go. Let's lace up and get started. Comfort should be the primary consideration when choosing travel shoes. New shoes should be thoroughly broken in before any trip to prevent blisters. Well-worn shoes minimize the risk of discomfort during extended wear. Cushioned soles provide essential support and shock absorption for walking. Breathable materials are crucial for maintaining foot health and preventing moisture buildup. Lightweight sneakers are highly versatile, making them ideal travel shoes. Walking shoes are suitable for navigating airports. Running shoes are suitable for city exploration. Hybrid styles are suitable for light hiking. Darker colors are preferable for hiding dirt and matching multiple outfits. Selecting appropriate footwear can significantly expedite airport security checks. Shoes that are easy to slip on and off are ideal for quick removal during screenings. Elastic laces or slip-on sneakers are particularly convenient choices. These options save time and minimize stress when passing through security. Frequent travelers will find this footwear strategy especially beneficial. Streamlining the shoe removal process contributes to a smoother overall experience. A second pair of shoes should prioritize compactness and adaptability. Flip-flops are a great option for beaches. Sandals are also suitable for beach environments. These footwear options are ideal for shower settings. They are also appropriate for casual wear. Flip-flops and sandals occupy minimal space while providing comfort. In cold or rainy weather, appropriate footwear is essential for protection. Lightweight waterproof shoes are ideal for these conditions. They protect feet from rain, snow, and cold temperatures. These shoes should be easily packable for travel convenience. They provide adequate protection without adding excessive weight to luggage. Avoid packing heavy boots unless they are absolutely essential for the trip. Refrain from packing brand new shoes that haven't been broken in. Do not pack shoes just in case. Only bring necessary footwear. Prioritize essential footwear to maximize luggage space and packing efficiency. Thanks for tuning into this episode of Hack Trip Easy. Remember, the right pair of shoes can transform your travel experience, helping you explore comfortably and confidently. Whether you opt for lightweight sneakers, versatile sandals, or soft flip-flops, prioritize comfort and practicality. Don't forget to share your favorite travel shoe tips in the comments below. If you found this episode helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel hacks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Safe travels, and let your adventures begin. Your feet will definitely thank you.